Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav and I work as a BMS algorithm developer engineer at Decibels lab. In this video, we will see why exactly lithium is preferred in EV batteries over other type of battery material. So, we will compare these 5 important battery properties or parameters. Namely, we will compare these properties for nickel cadmium, lithium metal hydride, lead acid battery and lithium ion, and we will come to the conclusion by comparing all these properties as to why lithium is preferred. So first, we'll start with gravimetric energy density. Gravimetric energy density is defined as the amount of energy available per unit mass of the battery or per unit mass of the chemicals stored in the battery. So in the chart you can see below, we are comparing 4 types of batteries, that is lead acid, nickel cadmium, nickel metal hydride and NMC or lithium ion. So you can see very clearly that lithium ion is having the highest gravimetric energy density or highest energy available per unit mass. This means that by using lithium ion type batteries, we are able to reduce the mass of the battery pack, or basically we are able to reduce the weight of the battery pack, thereby making it more economical to develop such battery packs. So you can see here, numerically if we compare all of the gravimetric energy densities of all the battery types, we see that lead acid and nickel cadmium are having very low energy per unit mass, while lithium ion is clearly having the higher advantage here. So almost up to 270 watt-hours per kg is what is available in lithium ion compared to any other type of chemistry. So therefore, the advantage is that by having a higher energy density per unit mass, the mass of the battery pack or the weight of the battery pack reduces. Next, coming to volumetric energy density, it is the energy available per unit volume of the battery pack. So similar to gravimetric energy density, higher the volumetric energy density, smaller the volume of the battery pack or lesser the space occupied by the battery pack. So once again, you can see here for lithium ion, it can go up to almost 700 watt-hours per liter compared to any other type of battery material. Right? So here in the chart below on the left side, we can see how exactly the watt-hours per liter or the amount of energy available per unit volume of the battery pack plays an important role in trying to reduce the size or volume of the battery pack. Next, coming to nominal voltage. So higher the nominal voltage, higher the energy available per unit cell. Right? So you can see here lithium ion is having once again the highest one. So that's up to 3.7 volts. And while lead acid and nickel cadmium are significantly lower and therefore lesser energy available. So higher the nominal voltage, higher the operating type and higher the usable window for this particular type of cell. So the area under the curve that you see over there, the area under the voltage curve depicts the total available energy. So higher the voltage, higher the energy. So again, clearly lithium ion is having the higher advantage here. Next, coming to self-discharge. So self-discharge is a property of a particular cell during which it will lose permanently some amount of energy during storage. So the more the energy lost during the storage, the lesser the operating window once again of the cell. So it's highest in the nickel metal hydride and also pretty high in lead acid battery, up to almost 10%. While lithium ion can go as low as 3% or even less than that. So again, lithium ion is having a very clear advantage here. Cycle life. Cycle life talks about how many times the cell can be charged and discharged repeatedly before being discarded or before reaching the end of life. So while we see that nickel cadmium does have a good advantage of having up to almost 2500 cycles, nickel cadmium does not exhibit the type of usable properties as lithium ion does. So lithium ion cell can actually be extended more than 5000 cycles, almost up to 10,000 cycles as per modern chemistries. So once again, lithium ion is having a much higher advantage in terms of cycle life and usable life compared to other properties of other batteries. So in summary, here we have compared 5 different properties of lithium ion and other battery types, and we have come to a conclusion that lithium ion type cells is much better in terms of EV batteries and much more economical and much more practical in terms of EV usage. Thank you for watching this video and I hope that this video was useful.